Hi guys, I'm Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a few exercises to strengthen the back. This includes the upper, mid and lower back. So if you find yourself with rounded shoulders or rounded back like this, then this is going to help to strengthen the back and will pull back the shoulders and help you feel nice and tall. Let's get those joints nice and juicy. So we're going to start by making our way to the floor. Because we're extending up, make sure that your pubic bone and hip bones are touching the mat. Your feet are going to be parallel and they're going to be hip distance apart. Arms are bent and they're going to be underneath your shoulders, palms facing down as wider than the mat. So place your forehead onto that mat. So I want you to imagine that there's an imaginary marble in front of your nose. So inhale, roll that imaginary marble forward. Keep this head in this position so your neck is in line with your spine. Exhale, slowly peel up bone by bone. Inhale here. Exhale, come all the way back down. And again. Inhale, roll that imaginary marble forward. Exhale, lengthen up. Squeezing that mid-back muscle all the way up to your elbows. Inhale at the top. And exhale, come back down. Last one. Good. So we're going to come up a little bit further this time. So inhale, roll that imaginary marble forward. Exhale, lengthen up, bone by bone. Squeezing that mid-back muscle as you get up to your elbows. From there, start to squeeze the two muscles along your spine as you come all the way up. Inhale here. Exhale, slowly lower down from the belly button first, and then your elbow, sternum, chest, and then forehead. Inhale, roll that imaginary marble forward. Exhale, start to lengthen up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, slowly come back down onto your elbows, and then all the way back down, forehead last. We got another two. Think about lengthening in line with the spine into the wall in front of you. Take a breath into the back of your ribs. Exhale, slowly come back down onto your elbows. Forehead last. Last one. Peel up bone by bone. Exhale, slowly lower down from your belly button first. Bend at the elbows. And then forehead last. On the next one, we're going to come all the way back up again. So in this position, you want to make sure that your mid-back, your lower back muscles are engaged here because we're going to extend our arm up. So spreading the fingertips on your right hand side, drawing your abdominals up and in, inhale. Exhale, you're going to lift your left arm up and back down. Exhale. If you want to bring your hands a little bit closer towards you, and closer towards the shoulders, you can as well. Try not to rock from side to side. Last one. And then slowly start to peel back bone by bone. So start from the belly button first. And then your sternum, chest, hand, forehead. Bring your hands by your side. And you're going to lift up into a 4-point kneeling position. As you flex your spine, really tuck the tailbone towards your belly button to stretch out that lower back. Push the floor away. And then come back to neutral. And again, flex. And back. Last one. Perfect. Sink your hips towards your heels and walk your hands along the mat. Take a deep breath in into the back of your ribs. And exhale. On your next exhale, we're going to do a roll up. So you're going to inhale into the back of your ribs. As you exhale, tuck the tailbone towards your belly button as you start to stack your lumbar spine, which is your lower back. Bone by bone, as you come up all the way up to a nice seated position. Roll your shoulders back. We're going to go back and down again. So inhale, lengthen the back of the neck, not chin to chest. Exhale, slowly peel away from that imaginary wall behind you. Glide your hands along the floor. Take a breath into the back of your ribs. Exhale, tuck the tailbone towards your belly button. And I want you to imagine that there's an imaginary wall behind you. As you stack bone by bone, you're trying to touch your lumbar spine onto that wall, and then your mid back, and then your upper back, your head last. Roll your shoulders back. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment below, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.